Believe it or not, iPhone X fans. Not everybody wants to remortgage their house to afford the latest and greatest smartphone. And while all the headlines scream and shout about expansive flagship phones, the likes of the Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact are flying the flag for new models that combine quality with affordability. And while it may feel like phones are getting bigger and bigger, say hello to the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. The success of the Apple iPhone SE proved that there's still a huge appetite for more diminutive handsets. We can see why the small form of the Xperia XZ1 Compact is apparently so popular. Although it's cheaper than most 2017 launched phones on the market today, you still want to make sure that you're getting the best price. That's where we can be your best friend. We've scrapped the UK's retailers and networks to find the cheapest XZ1 Compact deals around. If you're looking for a bargain, you'll find it here. If you find a deal you like that's being sold by mobiles.co.uk, then make sure that you enter our exclusive 10OFF discount voucher code at the checkout to instantly save a tenner. Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact, £99.99 upfront, 1GB data, unlimited minutes and texts, £17.99 PM. This tariff from Carphone Warehouse on E is the lowest we're currently seeing on the XZ1 Compact without having to faff around with cashback. You can now get this excellent phone for less than £20 per month, as long as you don't mind paying £100 upfront. The XZ1 Compact used to be available for less than £500 for the 2 years, but not right now. Total cost over 24 months is £531.75. Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact, 02, free upfront, 3GB data, unlimited minutes and texts, £27 PM. If you don't mind redeeming £96 worth of cash back in 5 tranches over the 2-year contract, then this 02 tariff is worth going for instead of the cheaper deal above. You get triple the data, so don't have to manage on the shoestring 1GB allowance. And it's absolutely free upfront as well. Total cost over 24 months is £552 after cashback. Sony Xperia XZ1 Compact, Vodafone, £18.99 upfront, 32GB data, unlimited minutes and texts, £42 PM. Vodafone's relative domination on big data for the XZ1 Compact is defined by this 32GB deal. That allowance is an enormous amount of data to stream, surf and download with away from Wi-Fi. Much more than enough for most people, we'd wager. The monthly payments are okay considering the sheer amount of data, and made all the sweeter for having to spend less than £20 at the start. Total cost over 24 months is £1,026.99. By Emhape Tech.